Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. I'm teaching my Year 9s about different types of charts. And we do bar charts, pie charts, line charts, scatter graphs, and stem and leaf. And there's a lot all in one video, but I thought we'll just introduce them and then we can talk more about them in class as the lessons go. Okay, so the first one is bar charts. I've taken this image off of Google, so I'm sorry for not sourcing it. Here we go, a number of people in cars traveling on a local road one morning. Now, we can have a number of questions that might be asked about this. Which one do they see the most? We could look at which is the highest, and we can see that 4 is the most, so let's say the answer to that is grey. They might also ask, what is the total number of cars that were seen that morning? Well, we've got 4 and 3, 1, 2 and 1. We add that up, and that's 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11. Okay, and then they might say, what's the difference between the number of, say, black and blue? Well, black is 3, blue is 2, so the difference there is 1. So a number of questions that they could ask in the interpretation of a bar chart. The next graph would be a pie chart. Now, always trying to remember that a pie chart has 360 degrees. And we've got here sales. That's the first quarter, that's the second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Now, what would be need to be given is a total or one of the sizes of these sales. So let's say the total was 240 sales over the year, and they want to find out how much is in one of the quarters. Now, say we'd need to use a protractor to measure that, or be told, and say that's 60 degrees. Say the second quarter was 60 degrees, so I can write that in there. Say we're told that, even though if it's not to scale, and there's total sales of 240, we would work out what fraction that is of the total. Well, 60 out of 360 is 1/6. So then I want 1/6 of 240, so fraction of amounts. I know that 6 goes into 24 4 times, plus that's 0. So in the second quarter, there were 40 sales. Okay, let's look at